I would like to thank Miss Anna and Miss Yasmin for organizing the Day 3 workshop in such a brilliant way. I was able to grasp mostly all the concepts of SEN. I'm very confident and I look forward to working in the SEN field in the future. So thank you very much.
Actually, we had an amazing training session for last 3 days and we really enjoyed. At the same time, we learned a lot of things regarding the SEN children because we have to learn different criteria and strategies for these children. They need our help. So this East Bridge Training Center actually gave us a big help. I would like to thank our trainer, Miss Anna, and at the same time Miss Yasmin, who helps us. So thank you very much.
It was an amazing 3 days journey with EBT. We got so much information. This is the best platform. We had a very good facilitator, Miss Anna, and yes, thank you, Miss Yasmin, also for making this work. Thank you so much, EBT. Thank you.
Quite an impressive journey we had through these 3 days workshop. It has been very educative, very insightful, and I really enjoyed myself. I recommend each and everyone to take up a course in SEN and then build up yourself to the maximum. Thank you, EBT.
Okay, so today is our third and last day of the SEN program, and everything was very good. Our lecturer, Miss Ann, was very good, and then Miss Yasmin also was very good. We really enjoyed this section, and I'm thinking to join the next training as soon as I finish this course. I'll recommend EBT to every student who wants to be in the teaching department. It's really a very good program. Thank you.
So I would like to thank EBT for starting this very wonderful course. I would like to thank our teacher, Miss Anna, and Miss Yasmin for conducting it so well, so well organized. The lessons were very useful, so we'll be able to use it in our career future on. The certificates were handed out to us today, the 3-day wonderful course that we attended.
Fantastic training. Today we have an East Bridge training. Miss Anna made a complex training easy to grasp, and with her expertise and passion, I would like to say thank you for the East Bridge management, and again I would recommend these trainings for every teachers in Dubai. Thank you.